Are you alone? We do not want you to be alone.
I foil this muse, a prodigal excuse. Despite your brother, you and your mother made tinfoil hats for each other. Wrap your head up till it shines. So when they try to read your mind, they'll be foiled, amused at the genius that's ensued. Cliches, old news, a happenstance excuse. You love each other, but your mother taught you something or other. Ashes, ashes, it's the same.
It's the same.
We all fall off our name.
Off our name.
Is it any consolation? We're all spies in the congregation. We clap our hands and exclaim, this is the desire of our communal heart, at least today. Wrap your head up till it shines.
Till it shines.
So when he tries to speak his mind,